In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the TradingView screener to enhance your trading strategy. TradingView is an incredibly powerful tool, and understanding how to navigate its screener can provide you with a significant edge in your market analysis, whether you're dealing with stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, or bonds. To begin, let's talk about accessing the screener. Start by going to the Products menu on TradingView's main interface. Alternatively, you can locate the screener button on the left-hand side of your chart. This feature is conveniently placed for quick access, ensuring you can jump right into your market analysis with minimal fuss. Once you've located it, it's time to select the market you wish to scan. Whether your interest lies in stocks, ETFs, bonds, or the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, TradingView has you covered. Choose the market that aligns with your trading focus to tailor your screening process effectively. Now, let's set up your scan to hone in on specific criteria. The first step in this process is to click the filter button. This action will open a variety of filtering options, allowing you to refine your search according to your unique trading preferences. You can add parameters from an array of categories. Descriptive criteria like being part of the NASDAQ 100 allow for general searches based on listing particulars. If your interest leans towards examining fundamental metrics, options like earnings per share can be pivotal. For the more technically inclined, parameters such as finding assets near their 52-week high or low or identifying specific indicator crosses might prove invaluable. A useful tip here is the ability to add or customize columns within the results table. Simply click the small plus sign located at the top right corner. This customization allows you to focus on the specific data points most relevant to your trading strategy, ensuring your screening results are as insightful as possible. As you apply these filters, your selected criteria will populate the results in a clear table format. Here, you'll notice the total number of matching assets prominently displayed. Take a moment to review these results. By identifying potential matches, you can add them to a watch list for future review. This feature is particularly valuable for keeping track of interesting candidates without needing to rescan the market repeatedly. To delve deeper into individual assets, click on the specific stock or asset of interest. This will open up detailed views where you can navigate through comprehensive charts, allowing for further due diligence. As you assess a company's fundamentals or the latest news affecting an asset, this examination can provide deeper insights leading to more informed trading decisions. Lastly, a key tip for utilizing the screener effectively: consider the time frame of your scan. For optimal results and reduced noise, conducting your searches when the exchange is closed can offer a clearer picture. This practice ensures that your analysis is not skewed by intraday volatility, thus providing a more stable foundation for your trading decisions. By following these steps, you'll find that the TradingView screener isn't just a tool, but an integral partner in your trading journey.